If you guys have been following me for any time, you know that I am in preparation of my software Magnetify, and I've been going through the development stage for a few months now. So today is a very special video because no, we have not officially launched yet, but I can actually show you on the back end what Magnetify is going to look like and how everything is going to function. So I'm going to go through all of the design so that way you guys can see everything before we actually launch. Once again, if you are not on the beta tester wait list, make sure you sign up at the link down below. I do have some special perks for people who are actually going to sign up as beta testers because you guys will get access to Magnetify before the general public. You guys will help shape the roadmap for the future for the general public, in addition to getting steep discounts to the software once it actually launches. So once again, go ahead and sign up for the beta tester waitlist at the link down below. But let's go ahead and get into today's video where I get to show you all around on the Magnetify backend. As a user of Magnetify, this is going to be your dashboard page. So once you actually log into your account, this is exactly what you're going to see. You are going to have a snapshot of your generated leads, how many views your lead magnets have gotten, and how many created lead magnets you actually have in your library. You can set the time period from the last 7 days up to 30 to the year, so you can have like a snapshot of what is going on in your account. The cool thing about this is that everything you need here is on this initial dashboard, so you can have your created lead magnets, your leads itself. This red dot indicates that you do have some unviewed leads. These are templates for the lead magnets, the integrations. As far as integrations, what we're launching with are webhooks, so you can actually send your leads directly from Magnetify into your email service provider or even your CRM if you wanted. And then lastly, we have the settings, just generalized settings, and then we have help and resources here, okay? So I'm gonna go through all of this with you. If you are on a free trial, this is basically showing you how long you have before you need to upgrade. And then also from the dashboard, you can actually create lead magnets directly from the dashboard. So you would click on create new, or you could either just use AI. So you can use AI to create lead magnets, or you can actually just manually create the lead magnets themselves. So let's move on to the lead magnet pages. So I really like this because we have lead magnets here, and these are your created lead magnets. So this would be like your library here of the lead magnets that you've already created. And you can see just a snapshot here. You can see a couple of analytics here, like how many people have actually viewed it. If you want to click on here, this is going to take you to analytics for that specific lead magnet. Here we move on. If you are creating a lead page, right? And so the lead pages are going to be like templates, guides, checklists, whatever that may be. This is what your editor page is going to look like. You also have the option of having people enter in their email to view the page, or we can just do something like gated content where some of it's blurred out and they can only see a little bit, and then they'd have to enter in their email address to actually see the rest of it. Starting out with the beta round, we are only doing a couple of templates. We're only doing the lead pages, the mini courses, and the ebook. So this is what a mini course will look like as far as the editor is concerned. So you can add an image or a video here, put the title in. You can write in what you need here, or you can start using AI to help you with this course. So here's an example of what a finished mini course is going to look like. And this is what your people are going to see after they enter in their email address and name to get access to it. So this is what the completed mini course looks like. You have your title up here. You have your image. So we have the introduction and the course outline. And then moving into the actual course itself, You'll have the outline on the side here and seeing how much people have actually gone through the course. And then you'll have previous or next lesson. And so right here, this, like I said earlier, can be either a static image or a video image. So I'm going to also take you to see what an ebook looks like on the back end. So you can create ebooks with Magnetify, and you can use the pre-made templates that we'll have, or you can just start from anew, right? So you can generate this book with AI and help you write it, or you can start putting in your own text, your heading, subheading, layouts, and all that good stuff. And then once you're done, you can share it, and so it can be gated content, or if you actually wanted to export it as a PDF file, you could do that and place that somewhere else that does not necessarily need to be gated as far as with the email address. Okay, you guys, so what we're gonna go see next are the templates. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, I will start with about 5 templates, but the basics are going to be ebook, mini course, and then the lead page, which could be anything like a checklist, a white paper, some type of guide template. I haven't figured that out, but there will be about a total of 5 when we actually launch, and then more will be added on. So Pro Plan will have higher grade templates, and I'll have some templates for the lower tiers, as you can see here by these stickers. But so we'll have templates for the lead pages and the ebooks, because it doesn't make sense to have templates for the mini course, because the mini course is pretty straightforward. So as far as the lead pages are concerned, this is what the editor is going to look like for the lead page. And so once again, you can have it as a squeeze page so they can enter their email to view, or it can be just gated content. You can put in static images, or you can put in video. You can also put in links and embeds. So if you needed to link at the end of your lead magnet, if you needed to link to maybe like your booking page, you can most definitely do that. We're going back into the templates for ebook. So I'll have a few templates as far as the ebook is concerned, as far as cover design and laying everything out for the headings and stuff. All right, so this is leads. So this is when you get leads. Someone has downloaded your lead magnet. You get those leads and you want to see what's going on, right? So you want to see what lead magnets are working the best, when they actually downloaded it. So from here, you can kind of tell like which lead magnet that you created is working the best, number one. And then looking at the date, you can see like what kind of campaign or something you ran. If you have like a YouTube video, a social media post, like where all these leads are kind of coming from, right? Another really cool feature that Magnify will have that I'm not quite sure anyone else has at this moment is that we will have a follow-up, right? So this is like someone puts in their email address to download your lead magnet, and then you as the owner, you as the profile owner of Magnetify, right? So you can actually email that person back after they've downloaded your lead magnet. You can actually email that person back and ask them a couple of follow-up questions, right? So maybe someone downloaded your ebook about SEO and you just want a little bit more information as a business owner. So like, what about SEO are you missing? What is it that you need? Are you a beginner? Are you advanced? Do you need to know how to get started? Whatever it may be, you can send these follow-up questions. And these questions can be anything, right? You can send follow-up questions and it'll be connected to your email. And then if the person wants to follow up, they'll, answer the questions, and then you'll get this. You'll get this information. So this information is really useful when you are creating lead magnets. So that way, what actually works for your client profile. So for your base customer, you want to know what actually is working for them. And that way you can take that information and you can create more lead magnets and or products that fill that void. So as you can see here, this is where you can send those follow-up questions, and this is the response that she's gotten from these follow-up questions. So I think this is a really cool feature for Magnetify. Okay, so we're moving on into the integrations. Like I said, the initial integration is just going to be a webhook here, and that's going to be that we are able to send these leads over to your email service provider via webhook, or if you wanted to send them to your CRM, that will be possible as well. Going into your settings, the settings is just basic. Obviously, all software has settings for you to manipulate on the back end. And so, you know, you've got your profile picture, your name, your email address. We have workspace logos. That's another thing. If you are an agency or maybe you have multiple businesses and you want to create landing pages or lead magnets for those separate businesses, you can have separate workspaces. So that way all your leads and all your lead magnets are housed up under a specific workspace for that particular business. And so as you can see here, we have workspaces, and you can put in your logo, your workspace name. And we also have the billing and subscription page. That's pretty basic for software, and obviously changing your password. And then last but not least is the help and resources page. So in order to get as much information about Magnetify and learn how to use it and set things up, we have the help and resources page. So here you will have direct links to the Magnetify YouTube channel. You will have links to the knowledge base, which answers questions about how to use the software. You will also have links to an affiliate program if you want to actually join the Magnetify affiliate program to earn extra money every time you refer someone to the software. You can do that. And then lastly, we have the blog itself that you can read up on the latest information about lead generation and lead magnets. So this is basically what this is going to look like. And then you also have the contact button here. So if you needed to send an email, not necessarily related to support, but an email about maybe collaboration or some generalized question like that, because we will have a chat bot that will be available on all pages that you can actually interact with to get live support during the day, okay? And then once again, we have everything here on the contact page again, as far as resources again. So the video guides, knowledge base, affiliate program, and the blog. Okay, you guys. So that is Magnetify on the back end. Super excited about launch. You guys let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Magnetify, if you have any questions about being a beta tester, if you want to sign up to be a beta tester, that link is down below. But yeah, you guys just let me know what you guys are thinking about, what, you know, Magnetify looks like on the back end, and as far as what features are coming out as far as the beta testing round and all that good stuff. And in the meantime, you guys stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, so that way you can stay updated on when Magnetify actually drops and launches and is ready for subscribers. And I'll see you guys on the next video.